In this video, I'm going to show you how to add exercise to Fitbod. So the first thing you have to do here, you want to open up your app, and then you want to go on the workout tab at the very bottom left, and then here you'll be able to see your workout. Now you want to scroll to the very bottom of your workout, and then here it's going to say add exercise. You want to click on the add exercise button, and then you have three options. You could either go and take a look at all the exercises available. So as you can see, the first tab up top says all exercises. You can go ahead and scroll down and find the exercise you want. Now you could also go by muscle, so if you switch to by muscle up at the very top middle, you'll be able to go ahead and find different exercises by muscles. So I could go, for example, for a chest over here, and I can see all the different chest exercises, which are basically in order, in alphabet order over here. So that's the second thing, and then the third one is by categories, which are recently added by me, weighted exercises, body weight, cardio, stretching, and pregnancy. Okay, so there's a bunch of different things you can do, and then whenever you find an exercise, you can then just go ahead and tap on those three dots at the very far right, and then here you can click on if you want to recommend them more often, less often, or if you don't want that exercise to be recommended again. So that's pretty much how you do it. And then, for example, let's say I want to add this one-step box jump, you can just click on it, click on add one exercise at the bottom right, and what that's going to do here is it's going to add the exercise to my workout. So that's how you do it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.